You're here with the Power of Art program, and if you're not familiar with the Power of Art program, it is basically a community-wide arts program that brings arts programming to underserved populations in a nutshell. It's a really amazing program.
It's wonderful. It's the for ComMotion, Community in Motion, it's our third year here. And what do you think about ComMotion? Why you keep asking us to come back?
Well, I think there's many reasons. First of all, probably one of my favorite groups that we work with throughout the year. So we love to bring you guys back. The second reason we love working with ComMotion is that y'all are sort of a plug and play group, you know? I know that when we bring you here and we've scheduled you all over town, that you can show up, you can do your thing. It doesn't matter whether it's a chair aerobics class or outside line dancing with, people in town. You can kind of work on the fly, you address the needs of the group immediately, and everybody has a great time. And as Robert mentioned, our Power of Art program has really exploded over the last few years. We used to just serve maybe 2 populations, but now we've expanded this program to serve adults with cognitive decline, adults with developmental disabilities, those who are affected by cancer. We do some work with veterans. We try to sort of touch upon all different groups and abilities, and ComMotion is able to work with us, with everyone. So it's really exciting. So grateful for you.
We love it. It's a great partnership, and that's the beauty of Community in Motion. So we get to partner up with everybody. We get to work with all of these groups. Every year we're doing a little bit more and more activities. And we also make great connections with the community. Somebody likes what we do. They call us, can you go here? Can you go there? And because we have the flexibility that you talk, we just get more and more. We get to reach more into the community.
I think the other thing that stands out for our partnerships with you guys is when we leave, the week and then we come back another time, everyone asks when you're coming back. And at this point, now that we've been working together for 3 years, everybody knows you guys. It was like, oh, we're so excited to have Andre and Robin back.
Yeah, it was really great as I was going around the community, working on the schedule and trying to get you connected with the groups with whom we're working. Every single conversation, they were just really excited to hear you were coming back. They reflected on their experience in the past with you all and just really excited to have you come back and work with them. So it's really, you're definitely making an impact.